With just one account, you can shop at millions of merchants around the world and send money to friends and family almost anywhere. It's free to open a PayPal account and buy something using PayPal unless it involves a currency exchange. This is PayPal. Hey, what is up guys? PMHK here, and today I'm gonna be talking a little bit about PayPal. So I realize that most of you are still really unfamiliar with PayPal. I've gotten a couple of questions on how do I use PayPal and what do I use PayPal for, but I'm just gonna be answering a couple of questions and talk a little bit about it. But just to make sure I tackle your guys' questions, I'm gonna be answering all your guys' questions in the comments below. So if you have a questions that I did not answer in this video, you can also go down and ask the questions and I'll try and answer as soon as possible. So the way I use PayPal, obviously you guys are asking about PayPal because you want to buy stuff overseas and you don't have credit cards. That's the main aim of PayPal for me. So the way I use PayPal is I use PayPal to pay for stuff when I'm buying them overseas, especially when I'm using my US, which is the forwarding agency I use to get stuff from eBay, or sometimes also I think you can use it to go on Amazon. So first, the thing that you need for you to be able to use PayPal is have obviously a South African account. And the bank that actually supports PayPal the most, from what I've been reading, is FNB. So, I mean, FNB is not paying me to make a video about them, by the way. I just feel like I have to clarify those things. So FNB is the one bank that you need to actually have an account in if you want to use PayPal as smoothly as possible. So you're going to need a checking account with FNB, and you're gonna need to register in PayPal. Obviously, you just go to paypal.com, or if it's not paypal.co.za, but I'm gonna have the link of that in the description so you guys can go and register. It's free. It's actually quite easy to register. It's similar or easier than registering an email account, so I'm not gonna really have to show you guys how to do it. I guess you guys can all and go and do it by yourselves. But if you encounter any problems, obviously ask me in the comments below. So all you're gonna have to do is have your FNB account. It can be a checking account, doesn't have to be anything higher than a checking account. I actually still use my student account with PayPal, which I'm gonna have to change soon. And you're gonna have the FNB account. You're gonna go register on PayPal, and in the registration processes there will be a step that's gonna ask you to link your card with the PayPal, which is also straightforward. But again, if you guys find a problem in doing that, feel free to drop me questions and ask. So that's actually the second step, and basically that's all you're gonna have to do. You open the FNB account, you register the PayPal account, and you link your FNB card with the PayPal account. Now that's for you to be able to be buying things or to be paying for things online. And other thing that you can do with PayPal, if you have a selling account, or if you are a merchant or want to be selling stuff to other people, you can also use PayPal to receive money as well as to send money to family and friends, as I read on what the description of PayPal was saying. FNB top-up services with PayPal allows FNB customers to top up funds to a PayPal account via a qualified FNB account. FNB withdrawal services with PayPal allow South Africans to withdraw funds from a PayPal account to any South African bank. Now, obviously, if you are somebody who's using PayPal to sell and receive money online, you're gonna have to have a way to withdraw your funds from your actual PayPal account. And obviously, FNB is facilitating you guys to actually go and do that. So I'm gonna cut it short here for this video, but obviously, as I said, if you guys have any other question with regards to how to use PayPal, just ask me down in the comments and I'll answer it there. You have to ask me there in the comments. I insist on that because other people are going to have the same question, and I don't want to have to go to answer to people. Let's say if they ask me on Instagram, I'm going to have to go to Instagram to answer, or go anywhere else to answer. So if you can ask them all in the comments, we can help other people as well that are going to stumble across this video in future. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on my next video. I'm thinking of doing also a how to buy or how to register for a forwarding agency. I actually got a couple of questions on that. Which forwarding agency do I use and how does it work? If you guys want to see a video on that, also just leave a comment below and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.